You know, the biggest mistake people make when they start their fitness journey isn't about what exercises they do or what supplements they take. It's about the mindset they carry. Everyone wants to build their body, but very few understand that the process doesn't start in the gym. It starts in the mind. Before you ever lift a single weight, you have to lift your level of thinking, because your body will never grow stronger than your discipline allows it to. The problem is that most people depend on motivation. They wake up one day full of energy, watch a fitness video, feel inspired, and rush to the gym. But a few days later, when that spark fades, they stop showing up. Motivation is emotional. It comes and goes like the weather. Discipline, however, is different. Discipline is a commitment. It's showing up whether you feel like it or not. It's what separates those who want a good body from those who build one. Think about it. If motivation alone worked, everyone would be in shape. We all get motivated for a few days, but what happens when the excitement wears off? The real test begins. That's when your mind starts negotiating with you. You're tired today. You'll go tomorrow. It's okay to skip just once. And the moment you start listening to that voice, you lose control. The key is to train your mind the same way you train your muscles, with repetition, consistency, and resistance. Every time you push past your excuses, you're strengthening your mental muscle. Discipline doesn't mean you won't feel tired or lazy. It means you'll still do what you said you would do despite those feelings. You see, the body follows the mind. If your mind is weak, your body will always find a reason to quit. But when your mind becomes your strongest muscle, no obstacle can stop you. That's when you transform, not just physically, but mentally and emotionally. Building your body is really about building a mindset that doesn't break under pressure. You have to stop treating workouts as an optional part of your day. They are a non-negotiable part of your identity. The gym isn't just a place to build muscle. It's a place to build character, focus, and self-respect. Every rep is a promise to yourself that you're not giving up. Every drop of sweat is proof that you're rewriting who you are. And let's be honest, there will be days when you'll want to quit. Days when you'll look in the mirror and see no progress. Days when your body aches and your energy is gone. But those are the days that define you. That's when discipline speaks louder than motivation ever could. You have to remind yourself, progress isn't always visible, but it's always happening. Growth hides in the effort you repeat every day. You have to stop chasing quick results and start mastering patience. Real transformation doesn't come from doing more, it comes from doing what matters, consistently. The difference between an average physique and an extraordinary one isn't genetics, it's habits. And habits are built when you keep going long after the excitement is gone. So, if you want to build your body, start by building your mindset. Stop looking for shortcuts. Stop waiting to feel ready. Just show up, again and again, until it becomes who you are. The mind that can conquer laziness, excuses, and self-doubt can conquer anything. And if there's one thing to take away from this, it's this. Motivation gets you started, but discipline keeps you growing. When you master your mind, your body will have no choice but to follow. When it comes to building your body, most people think the answer is to train harder, more sets, more weights, more hours in the gym. But the truth is, training harder doesn't always mean training smarter. You can put in years of effort, sweat every day, and still not see the progress you want if your foundation is built on mistakes. The sad reality is that most people don't fail because they lack effort. They fail because they keep repeating the same errors without realizing it. You have to understand that fitness isn't just about action, it's about awareness. Every movement you make, every rep you complete, every meal you eat, it all sends a message to your body. If that message is wrong, your body can't respond the way you want it to. It's not ignoring your hard work. It's responding to your habits. The 7 mistakes most people make in fitness aren't just physical missteps. They are reflections of a mindset that prioritizes intensity over intelligence. The first mistake is poor form. People chase heavy weights to look strong, but in the process, they forget that control is strength. You can lift 100 kilos with bad form and impress people for a second, but you'll be fighting pain and injuries for months. Real strength isn't measured by how much you lift, it's measured by how well you lift. Every rep should be an act of precision, not ego. The gym rewards patience, not recklessness. Then comes the mistake of skipping rest. Rest feels like a waste of time to many, but that's when your muscles actually grow. Training breaks your body down, recovery builds it back up. Ignoring rest is like trying to grow a plant by never letting the soil breathe. Sleep, nutrition, and rest days aren't signs of weakness. They are part of the strategy. Growth happens in silence, not just in sweat. The third mistake is neglecting your diet. You can't train a bad diet, it's impossible. Your muscles are built in the gym but revealed in the kitchen. Too many people train hard but feed their bodies like they're still waiting for results to start. Food isn't just calories, it's information for your body. When you eat right, you give your body the tools to repair, rebuild, and perform. Another major mistake is ego lifting, that desire to prove something to others instead of improving yourself. You see it every day. Someone pushing weight they can't handle just to look strong in front of a crowd. But fitness isn't a performance, it's a personal journey. You're not competing with anyone else. The moment you start comparing, you lose focus on your own growth. Ego lifting doesn't build muscle, it builds regret. Sleep is another underrated weapon. Most people underestimate how powerful it is. You can have the perfect training plan, but if you're not sleeping enough, your body can't recover or grow. Sleep isn't optional, it's essential. It's the reset button for your hormones, your energy, your mind. When you sleep well, you train better, focus better, and think clearer. Then there's inconsistency, the silent killer of all progress. You can train perfectly for a week and then vanish for 2. That kind of start pattern kills momentum. Consistency is what turns small actions into big transformations. It's not about perfection, it's about persistence. Show up every day, even when you don't feel like it. The body rewards repetition, not occasional effort. And finally, not tracking progress. If you're not measuring, you're guessing. You need to know where you are to know where you're going. Keep track of your lifts, your meals, your sleep, your changes. It's how you learn what works and what doesn't. Progress without awareness is like walking in circles and wondering why you're not moving forward. Each of these mistakes is small on its own, but together they create a barrier that stops you from unlocking your full potential. The solution isn't to train more, it's to train better. To be intentional, mindful, and patient. Fitness is both a science and an art. It's a conversation between your effort and your awareness, and remember this: every mistake you correct is a step closer to mastery. Your body reflects your choices, your discipline, and your understanding. The moment you stop repeating these mistakes, your progress will stop being accidental and start becoming inevitable. So here's the truth to hold on to: you don't need more effort, you need more awareness. Asterisk asterisk, once you train with intention instead of impulse, your body will finally start to follow your vision, not your mistakes.